Dad, how does anyone buy a $400,000 house on a $60,000 salary? The math does not work.
A mortgage. You borrow most of the price from a bank and repay it over 15 or 30 years with interest. Most houses get bought this way.
And the bank just trusts you for 30 years?
Not trust. The house is collateral. Stop paying, they take the house. They have a backup plan. You pay a chunk up front called a down payment. The classic target is 20%. On a $400K home that is $80,000.
$80,000 up front. That is years of saving.
If you put less than 20% down, the bank charges extra insurance called PMI. $50 to $200 a month that buys you nothing.
They charge more for having less money. The system is perfectly designed to keep people broke.
Amortization. Year 1 of your mortgage, about 90% of every payment goes to interest. The bank takes their profit first.
So I am basically renting money for the first few years?
On a $400K loan at 7% over 30 years, you pay back about $960,000 total. The house cost $400K. Interest cost $560,000 extra.
The interest alone is more than the house. Banks are phenomenal at business.
Same $400K loan. 30-year at 7%, pay $960K total. 15-year at 6.5%, pay about $627K total. You save over $330,000 just by choosing 15 years.
$330,000 saved by just picking a different time frame?
Monthly payment is higher. But you own it in half the time and keep a fortune. Most people choose 30 because the monthly looks smaller. Short-term thinking. Renting is not throwing money away. That is a myth. Rent buys flexibility, zero maintenance costs, no property tax, no repair bills.
Then when does buying make sense?
When you plan to stay 7 or more years, have 20% down, and can afford the full cost including maintenance. Not before all 3. Mortgage basics, 20% down avoids PMI. 30 years costs a fortune in interest. 15 years saves you hundreds of thousands. Rent if you might move soon.
I am only ever getting a 15-year mortgage and I am waiting until I have 20% down. Deal made with my future self.
Future self just shook your hand. I witnessed it.